Thank God we're not going there. Dobbies. Oh. Hey guys, welcome to Deltaplanet, and today is the March Buddy montage. And what you're looking at now is the sea that divides Deltaplanet in half. Alright, so I don't know what this is, but I'm guessing it's Goeep, but we're not going on that because we can't leave Buddy. This thing is currently under construction, but these people would rather wait about 5 years standing there doing nothing for ages for this thing to open. We are currently being attacked by a brand new drone set by Amazon.
Not enough. You can't want some more. Yeah.
Is that it? No.
I don't know.
Alright, that's enough now. Yeah. You can't have that much, buddy. Get them away, me. I keep spitting chewies on the floor. That's the normal people of 20, whatever it is. That's how big the queues are these days. Buddy! Hello!
Yes.
Hello! Oh, hello! He's a good boy. Hey, he's a good boy. Oh, he's a good boy, buddy. Yes, he is. He's a good boy. Do you want to play? Yes, you do. You want to play. Oh, are you ready? Are you steady? Go get it. Go get it, buddy. Go get it. Over there. Go get it. Come on. Go get it. Yeah. I'm done. So Buddy has now started weeing and pooing mostly outside. And he's cocking his leg up as well. Instead of just crouching and going. No, you don't bite that. He's biting me pyjamas. Get off, that's naughty. No, naughty. Good boy. So anyway guys, if you enjoyed that video, leave a like, comment and subscribe for more. And get off that. Come on. Get off it. No. Get off. And I'll see you guys in the next video. The next series of Buddy will be April. And in April we're going to London. So see you guys then. Deltaplanet out. Get off it! Thank you. No. No. That's naughty. That's naughty, buddy. No. Yes, it is naughty. You don't say no to me. It's naughty. Okay? Ah, good boy.